Hello, my name is Jim Loro, and I'll be showing you the step-by-step guide to download and install everything you need to begin programming in Multimodal Interactive Paint version 3.0. So when we began Multimodal Interactive Paint 3.0, we decided to use a new framework called Qt that reduces all the dependencies and makes this process of downloading and beginning to work much simpler. So to make our environment 100%, we recommend downloading Visual Studios and Qt. That's it. So we'll begin by installing Visual Studios. Visual Studios was provided by DreamSpark for free with FIU login. Many of you might have Visual Studios already installed. If you don't, it's okay. We're gonna go to Microsoft's DreamSpark. You can Google DreamSpark, Google Microsoft DreamSpark, or follow the link, which is image.microsoft.com/en-us/catalog. Here, you can sign into your account. You can look at downloads, you can look at technologies, and you can find your Visual Studios. You can download Community 15 or Community 17 to run this program. Like I said, we were using Community 15 as part of our project. If you need additional help with downloading Visual Studios or connecting to DreamSpark, FIU has you covered. If you go to cis.fiu.edu/DreamSpark, you'll notice that there's a full page dedicated to helping you understand and connect with DreamSpark. Every CIS student will have the credentials to log in to DreamSpark and be able to get Visual Studios. However, if for any reason you do not want to use Visual Studios and it's allowed to you by the project owner, once you download Qt, you'll get something called the Qt Creator. And the Qt Creator is Qt's compiler editor that comes with Qt 5.8 and where you could use all the tools to debug, to code, and so on. Now, let's go back to Qt. To get Qt 5.8, which is the version we used, you can follow this link, which is www.qt.io/Qt5-8. So one of the great things about Qt is its easiness to use cross-platform and cross-system. So if you go back to 4.8, the program will still run. And if there's a newer version, you could download that one and the code will still compile. Now let's download Qt 5.8. Once you get here, they're going to ask you what you're using Qt for. Student use, we are not going to distribute, and we will comply with the obligations. That's it. Now you select get started with open source and download Qt. If you choose to go the Visual Studios route, after you've downloaded Qt, you will need to go into Visual Studios. You'll need to go to Tools. From Tools, you must look for Extensions and Updates. And here, you might have to go online to look up Qt extension for Visual Studios. I won't be able to find it because it's already installed in my system. But once you get the extension, you're going to download it, restart Visual Studios, and you'll see Qt 5. This is how we're going to be opening the program. You select Qt5. You'll notice it says Open Qt Project File.pro. You're going to be navigated, or you will navigate to Interactive Paint, Paint.pro, and then Visual Studios will do its thing, and you'll have everything populate for you, where you can begin working on the program. Ta-da! And that's about it. Once you get here, you can start working on multimodal interactive paint. Thank you for your time.